Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my video. Today it's Friday and I wanted to put out another video of Project Brutus, but the weather and the conditions didn't permit me to get to my shop and do it. So I'm gonna talk to you today about something else that's dear to me. Like you might know from previous videos, I used to be a nurse, and I spoke to someone recently about anemia. What is it? It says here on the internet that anemia occurs when there aren't enough healthy blood cells to carry oxygen to your body's organs. Uh, as a result, it's common to feel cold and symptoms of tiredness or weakness. There are many different types of anemia, sorry, and the most common one being the iron deficiency anemia. And this is why your doctor might prescribe you iron supplements, or you might have heard it's very popular belief that hey, it's anemia, we treat it with iron supplements. We have to have iron rich diet and iron supplements. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably here because you already took iron supplements and they didn't work. Why? Well, this is where most doctors fail fail to explain to the patients how to take the iron supplements. You need to know that from all of our digestive tube, all of our digestive tract, starting from the mouth and all the way up to the going out part, your body processes and absorbs food. Sugar, for example, starts to be absorbed already from your mouth, from under the tongue. You have some glands and some very big blood vessels that can absorb it and process it, and it's also absorbed from the stomach and so on and so forth. So sugar is one of the most absorbed elements that goes all the way. As soon as it comes in, all the way to going out, it's being processed and absorbed. Now, the thing with iron, okay, is that from all these mile long digestive tract that we have, it's only being absorbed from this much. And that is a part called the duoden, which is right after it gets out of the stomach. So this is the stomach, okay? It looks like a bean something, and food comes in the top, stays in there for about 30 minutes soaking in hydrochloric acid, which by the way can dissolve glass, and then sorry, yeah, and then it goes out through the bottom, and this is the duoden. Okay, that's it's a part this big. Okay, and as it goes through it, that is the part where the body can absorb the iron. Okay, and also to do that, it needs a very highly acidic environment. Okay, so when you take the iron supplements, take them on an empty stomach, take them with a acidic drink, so something sour like lemonade, orange juice, cranberry juice, something like that, and do not eat or drink anything else for the next 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, let it soak and let it be absorbed as it should be. Okay, that is why iron for the rest of the digestive tract, it only give you trouble. Okay, when you're taking iron, many people have problems with either being stuck or having diarrhea because iron is not being absorbed. There's a very high quantity of it, and it upsets the rest of the digestive tract. Sorry about that. Now, iron is only one small part of the entire story, okay? If you already have iron deficiency, it's highly probable that you also lack other components that take part in this story of making blood cells, making red blood cells. And the other stuff that you need is basically all the vitamins from A to E, okay? A, B, C, D, E, okay? And B, there's a lot of those, okay? So look at the daily recommended dose of each of those vitamins and take those vitamins 2 weeks in advance to starting to take the iron, okay? So take those vitamins, your body will stock up on them, okay? Except for the vitamin C, which it doesn't really put that much on the side, but you can take it anyway, it will not hurt you. Be really careful, read the prospect on those vitamins, because you might have levels that are okay already in your body from those vitamins. For example, my wife had enough vitamin vitamin E in her body, and if you take more than you already need, you can reach toxic levels in case of vitamin E or vitamin A, for example. So read the prospect so you know what to expect and know what to either stop taking altogether or to reduce and take like once every 3 days. For example, my wife was taking vitamin E instead of every day. So you need all those vitamins and the iron, okay? Same story in the case of calcium. You need all those vitamins and the calcium. The trick with the calcium is that it needs a basic environment, so take it after you eat with something that will neutralize the acid in your stomach, like milk, for example. And when you start taking those vitamins, getting back to to our issue, so you take the vitamins for 2 weeks. Then you start taking the iron, okay, like I said, either in the morning or in the evening on an empty stomach with an acidic drink. Nothing to eat or drink 40 minutes after you take the iron. And then you continue taking the vitamin parallel to the iron for another 2 weeks. And you will see at the end of this 1 month that you will have very different results, okay? It will also help everything else in your body, like your skin, your nails, maybe even your teeth, your hair, and so on and so forth. So yeah, the click that you hear, it's it's Precious on the couch, my cat. So yeah, so once again, to recapitulate, rehash the story. Take the vitamins from A to E 2 weeks in advance. Then take the iron in the morning with something acidic, and don't eat or drink for 30 to 45 minutes anything afterwards. And continue taking the vitamins for the next 2 weeks as well, as long as you're taking the iron supplements. So this is it. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, go into my playlist for medical tips and tricks, or maybe health tips and tricks. And come see me on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.